Here's how to increase the volume on your iPhone without the buttons. Now, the first option is to swipe down from the top right, and you should be able to see a volume slider on your iPhone. Keep in mind, this doesn't change the volume for your ringer. If somebody calls you, I'll show you how to change that as well. So you can see at the top right, I can change this volume all the way up or all the way down, depending on my preference. If you don't see that, you can tap on the plus at the top left and then hit Add Control. And then on here, you're just going to search for volume. And there you can see, you can just tap on it to add that volume slider. Now that's the first option. That's for like listening to music, watching YouTube videos, stuff like that. However, if you wanted to turn up the volume when your iPhone rings or gets a text message, that's in a different place. We need to go into your settings instead. And within your settings, let's scroll down until we get to sounds and haptics. And there is ringtone and alerts. We can turn the volume up here, and you'll be able to see essentially it has a louder ringtone when somebody calls me, or if I scroll down for a text tone, new voicemail, emails, etc.